Best pot for fiddle leaf fig reviews, Fox and Amp, Fern modern white pot. This is one of the best pots for indoor fiddle leaf figs that can seamlessly match your home decor. It is a large and great planter pot for the indoor environment. Apart from an amazing ceramic design that perfectly matches interior decor, you will also love its drainage plug. This feature enables easy flow of water and helps to keep the plant optimum hydrated. It is made of fiber stone, making it a durable and robust pot. It is also lightweight and features frost and UV resistance. This makes it an excellent choice for growing healthy fiddle leaf fig plants. Overall, it is a perfect option for introducing nature and boosting the decor in your home. However, be ready to spend some bucks because it is somehow expensive. Pros: lightweight, hence easy to carry around. Strong and durable. Modern and attractive pot stand. Made of eco-friendly and sustainable materials. Best to transforming your home decor. Cons: it is an expensive option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.